I want to show you the best use case for these three apps around post-workshop adoption and execution. It's a three-step process, right? Your Deal GPT, that's where you ask all your questions if you can't get a hold of me. Your Deal Maker, that's your planning tools. And then the Deal Spar, that's where you practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so we're going to start by going in here and setting up a negotiation, going into the Deal Spar. All right, let's do a simple case just to show you the 57 Chevy. And I'm going to be the seller. And I can't actually do the voice because I'm using the microphone to record this, so it won't pick it up. So I'll do it as a text. Okay, so I come in here and I'm going to first start by reading through my brief. Oh, it's a rare 57 Chevy. I got to get 4,500. All right, and I got a little time to do it. So now I'm going to go, hey, I need a plan. So I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to go into the Deal Maker. I already have it open here. Okay, I'm going to come out and pick up my 57 Chevy plan. It's just got one item, which is price. So I'm going to set up my moves in here. So I've set up a bunch of moves. And you know what? I don't know. Maybe I should. What were we talking about when we said anchoring? Let me take a check here. So I'm going to go into the Deal GPT here and revisit some of the thoughts around anchoring. Come up here, type it in, tell me more about anchoring, and then I can read this, I can watch some videos. You know what? All right, I'm good to go. Come back into my deal maker, check my plan one last time here. Okay, looks like those look good. I made some proposals here. What was that? And I'm ready to go. 8,900. So now let's go into the Deal Spar and let's start this thing. Here we go. Thanks for meeting me. $8,900 cash for this rare find is a steal. That's rich. I was thinking more like 3,000. All right, and there you go. Now we can execute the plan and continue negotiating here. So that is the best case scenario. Now I'm not going to finish this out here, but you can see how this all works together.